The next stock I want to take a look at is LNKD, and I want to look at this one for a few reasons. I've been spending a lot of time kind of talking about what stocks do when they have catalysts after earnings, what the drives look like in the consolidation areas. We'll be doing a webinar next Thursday, spending quite a bit of time talking about that price action and kind of how you need to inform your bias based on that. But if you're taking it easy on the open, I would have LNKD punched up in one of your boxes, just so you can get a feel for what a momentum stock looks like. A momentum stock is something that larger momentum hedge funds put their money into. At the same time, they cause these large up moves. When they try to exit, like they did in Netflix, they cause massive down moves. These are the stocks that, when you combine with technical patterns, when they drive up on earnings, when they consolidate at the highs, and the next morning they're at their highs, these are the ones that have the most potential to have huge follow-through. So a stock like this that drives up 6 points or so and then consolidates, this is something that has the potential to go to $88, $90 a share. And so the trading's a little bit more nuanced. We like to look at the technical patterns and think of what this is most likely going to lead to. But when we see this type of pattern after earnings, something like this in an LNKD or a CMG or a DECK, more likely to see the big intraday move than something like, I don't even know, like an example of a CAT, a Caterpillar, which is not a momentum stock. Caterpillar drives up in earnings and consolidates like this. It might drift higher for the day, but it's not likely to see a measured type move like the initial drive. And what I want you guys to do is get into the mindset, because as you get more experience and you have trading skills, these are the stocks that you really need to be able to learn how to crush for the longevity of your career, to have upside in your numbers as a trader over time. And so let's keep an eye on this one, see if it supports at the bottom of this consolidation range here at 82.50 and drives above 83.70. Move from there would probably put us in the 85 to 86 range. A secondary move from there would be up to 87, 88. And can't hold me to that. That's not necessarily going to happen, but that's what things kind of tend to look like in a stronger momentum stock, like a GMCR, CMG, etc.